I'm happy to be here among friends like René Capovin, like Roberto Muffoletto. I thank Francesco Monaco for inviting me, and also to meet Franco Torriani and Pierluigi Capucci, who am very grateful to, because at Noema Lab, his website, he has published 5 of my essays on the car of the future, on robots and androids. My essay, Society of the Instance, where I focus on instantiation as a successor in the line of alienation, reification, commodification, the spectacle, and simulation. And I'm about to publish, I'm revising the Wikipedia article on instantiation, which I will post soon. Instantiation is to me very important because we actually have there something which is both cultural theory and software theory. Because I'm primarily a software developer. Software development, the object-oriented paradigm, and I'm disappointed that in cultural studies and in media theory, no one is teaching the students to understand the object-oriented paradigm of software development, which I think is extremely important, because it's not just something technical. And this is the whole point, is that computer programming and software development, until now, my project is to transform computer science into a humanities subject, or informatics. Informatics is really the best word. It's not so often used in English, but I take it from German, French, Italian, and Spanish, bring it into English. In Scandinavia, it's also has already been used quite a lot. Transform informatics into a humanities subject, transdisciplinary. There is no computer science. So far, there's only computer engineering, and programming, software development is just a technical discipline, and we have to get away from that and change it. And I think that that's the key. I think that media studies, cultural theory, artists, there's many creative young people who I feel an alliance with, many artists and technological activists, and very interesting projects that I feel allied with, but I don't feel that anyone has yet addressed the core of the problem, which is that we are still Alan Turing invented the digital binary computer in about 1942, and the digital binary computer is just one paradigm of what computing can be. And we're all just taking it as an assumption that the digital binary computing is the way that computing is going to be forever, and that's wrong. And I don't even like the term digital culture that people are using, because that digital means binary, it means the logic of two, and that is exactly the binary opposition that Western thinking is stuck in, and which computers are an implementation of. So in fact, the real paradigm shift, revolution, will come when we have quantum computing, because in fact, everything that we can do with computers is still very mechanistic and stupid, really, because we only have, what do programmers do? I like this phrase that I made up, the tweaking, I don't know, tweaking is a rather obscure English word, but it's used quite often by hackers.